If your dishwasher won't start, there are a few quick and easy checks you can make before calling in a professional or going out and buying a new dishwasher. If the control panel doesn't show any signs of life, then the first thing to check is the socket. Try unplugging your dishwasher and plugging in something else like a lamp, for example. If the lamp works, then the problem's likely to be with your dishwasher rather than with the socket. If the control panel does work, then check that the door's fully closed and try to start the machine again. Once you've tried the plug and you've made sure that the dishwasher door's closed, the next thing to have a look at is the dishwasher manual. In here you'll find the manual reset process. The problem may well be caused by the dishwasher not having finished the previous cycle, and in the manual you'll find a way to manually reset your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is still not working, then now's the time to call a professional to take a look. At which.co.uk/local there are hundreds of recommendations for domestic appliance repair services in your area. And if your dishwasher is beyond repair, then go to which.co.uk, where you'll find over 150 reviews of dishwashers tested by Which. If your dishwasher isn't draining properly, there are a few quick and easy steps you can take before calling in a professional repairman or going out to buy a new dishwasher. But before you do any work on your dishwasher, always make sure it's turned off at the mains. The first thing to check is that the filters in the bottom of your dishwasher are draining properly. So you need to remove the lower basket, which will simply roll out. Take off the spray arm, which just pops off quite easily. And then unscrew and remove the filter. Now, you can wash the filter from a dishwasher under the tap easily. If you use your dishwasher regularly, make sure you wash your filters about once a week. If cleaning the filters doesn't fix your drainage problem, the next thing to check is the waste hose, which you'll find at the back of the dishwasher. This is what carries the dirty water away from your machine. So check that it's not kinked or bent or squashed, because if it is, that'll have an effect on how well your dishwasher drains water. Also, if your dishwasher waste is attached to your sink waste, then check your sink waste, because it's this that might well be causing the problem. If it's still not draining, then it's time to call an expert. At which.co.uk/local, you'll find hundreds of reviews from Which members about domestic appliance repair services. And if your dishwasher is beyond repair, go to which.co.uk, where you'll find over 150 reviews of dishwashers tested by Which. If your dishwasher door's leaking, there are a few quick and easy checks you can make before calling a pro to fix it for you or going out to buy a new dishwasher. But before you start work, always make sure your dishwasher is turned off at the mains. If water's leaking from the front of your dishwasher, there are a couple of things you can quickly and easily check. Now, the first of these is that the spray arms can spin properly. If the spray arm gets blocked by something like a large plate in the lower basket of your dishwasher, you might find that the water is spraying in one direction only. And if that's the case, then the door seals, which you'll find around the outside of the door, might well not be able to hold that weight of water. So you can easily check that by just pulling out the top basket and the lower basket with your loaded dishwasher and making sure that the spray arms can spin round. Now, the second thing you should check will be the spray arms themselves, and just see whether they're blocked. Spray arms are easy to remove. They just pop out like that, and if they're blocked, it'll be visible to you. You can easily unblock a spray arm with something like a knitting needle, but if they are blocked, again, you might find that water is spraying too forcefully from one of the jets, and it's that that's causing your dishwasher to leak. Once you check that sprinkler arms can spin round and they're not blocked, the next thing to have a look at is the upper door seal. Now, you'll find this around the outside of the sides and the top of the door. Now, it's the upper door seal that stops the water from spraying out of the dishwasher. But if it gets dirty or if it becomes perished, then it may become weaker and water can get out, and that might well be what's causing your leak. So you can just check with your hand to make sure there's no dirt around the outside of the door seal. Check that the rubber has got all of its integrity, it's not porous in the least. Maybe if you've got a cloth, you can just give the door seal a wipe. Now the upper door seals are easy to replace. You can pick one up for a Siemens dishwasher like this one for around £30 from online retailers. Before you go online to buy spare parts for your dishwasher, make sure you've got the model number. Now you can find that on the inside rim of the door, and if you order using the model number, you'll make sure you get the right parts. Now if your dishwasher is still leaking, the problem's likely to be with the lower door seal. Now that's a strip of rubber that connects the door with the main body of the machine, and it connects them along here. You can't see it here because it's trapped inside the door. Now if your lower seal's leaking, that's a big job and you'll need to call a professional in to do it for you. At which.co.uk/local, we've got hundreds of reviews from Which members for domestic appliance repair services. But if your dishwasher's beyond repair, then go to which.co.uk for over 150 reviews of dishwashers tested by Which.